Welcome to our video on how artificial intelligence can simplify your life, especially when it comes to canceling gym memberships or subscriptions. AI agents are digital assistants designed to perform tasks on your behalf, saving you time and effort. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of using an AI agent to handle the often tedious task of canceling a gym membership. Whether you're busy, forgetful, or just want to avoid awkward conversations, AI agents can make the process seamless. Let's start by understanding what an AI agent is and how it works. Canceling a gym membership can be a hassle. You might have to call customer service, fill out forms, or even visit the gym in person. AI agents eliminate these obstacles by automating the process. They can interact with websites, send emails, and even make phone calls for you. This not only saves time but also reduces stress. With an AI agent, you don't have to worry about forgetting deadlines or dealing with pushy sales reps. Let's explore the benefits of using AI for subscription management. There are several AI agents available, each with different capabilities. Some are built into smartphones, while others are standalone apps or web services. When selecting an AI agent for canceling a gym membership, look for one that can handle communication tasks, such as sending emails or making phone calls. Also, check if it integrates with your gym's website or customer service portal. Popular options include virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and specialized subscription management tools. Before your AI agent can cancel your gym membership, you need to set it up. This usually involves downloading the app or activating the assistant on your device. You may need to grant permissions for accessing your contacts, emails, and calendar. Make sure your AI agent is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Once set up, you can start configuring it to handle your subscription tasks. To cancel your gym membership, your AI agent will need specific information. This includes your membership number, account credentials, and the gym's contact details. Gather all relevant documents, such as your membership contract and any recent bills. Having this information ready will make the cancellation process smoother and faster for your AI agent. Next, instruct your AI agent to perform the cancellation task. Most AI agents allow you to set up routines or tasks. Specify that you want to cancel your gym membership and provide the gathered details. Some agents may require you to input the cancellation reason or select options from a menu. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. One common method for canceling a gym membership is via email. Your AI agent can draft and send a cancellation email to the gym's customer service. It will include your membership details and a formal request to terminate the subscription. You can review the email before it's sent or let the AI handle it automatically. This step ensures your request is documented and traceable. If your gym requires phone cancellation, your AI agent can make the call for you. Some advanced agents can interact with automated phone systems and provide your membership information. They can also record the conversation for your records. This feature is especially useful if you find phone calls stressful or inconvenient. Many gyms offer online portals for managing memberships. Your AI agent can log into your account, navigate to the cancellation section, and submit the request. It can fill out forms, upload documents, and confirm the cancellation. This automation saves you from repetitive clicks and ensures the process is completed correctly. After submitting your cancellation request, gyms often require confirmation. Your AI agent can monitor your email or account for confirmation messages. It can respond to follow-up questions or requests for additional information. This ensures your cancellation is processed without unnecessary delays. Sometimes, gyms try to retain members by offering discounts or perks. Your AI agent can politely decline these offers and reiterate your cancellation request. It can handle negotiations and ensure your decision is respected. This removes the pressure of dealing with sales tactics. Your AI agent can track the progress of your cancellation request. It will notify you of any updates, such as confirmation emails or changes in your account status. This keeps you informed and ensures you don't miss important steps. You can check the status anytime through your AI agent's dashboard. After cancellation, your AI agent can help update your payment information. It can remove saved cards or stop recurring payments linked to your gym membership. This prevents accidental charges and ensures your finances are secure. It's important to keep records of your cancellation. Your AI agent can save emails, call logs, and confirmation messages. This documentation is useful if there are disputes or accidental charges in the future. You can access these records anytime for peace of mind. If you have other subscriptions, your AI agent can manage them too. It can cancel, renew, or update multiple memberships across different services. This centralizes your subscription management and reduces clutter. Privacy is crucial when using AI agents. Make sure your agent uses secure protocols and doesn't share your information with unauthorized parties. Review privacy settings and update passwords regularly. Trustworthy AI agents will encrypt your data and protect your personal details. While AI agents are powerful, they have limitations. Some gyms may require in-person cancellation or additional verification. AI agents can only operate within the permissions you grant. Always check your gym's policies before relying solely on automation. If your AI agent encounters problems, such as failed emails or website errors, troubleshoot by checking your internet connection and account details. You can also contact your gym directly if needed. Most AI agents offer support or help centers for resolving issues. Once your AI agent completes the cancellation, verify that your membership is terminated. Check your gym account, look for confirmation emails, and ensure no further payments are processed. This final step guarantees your subscription is truly canceled. Gyms usually send a final confirmation after cancellation. Your AI agent can alert you when this arrives. Save this confirmation for your records and review it to ensure all details are correct. If anything is missing, contact the gym or your AI agent for clarification. Beyond gym memberships, AI agents can manage all types of subscriptions. They can track renewal dates, alert you to upcoming charges, and automate cancellations. This comprehensive management helps you stay organized and avoid unwanted fees. You can integrate your AI agent with your calendar to schedule cancellations and reminders. This ensures you never miss important deadlines. The AI can automatically add events and notify you when it's time to cancel or renew memberships. AI agents can be customized to fit your needs. You can set preferences for how cancellations are handled, such as preferred communication methods or specific instructions. This personalization makes the process even more efficient and tailored to your lifestyle. AI agents aren't limited to gyms. You can use them to cancel magazine subscriptions, streaming services, or club memberships. The process is similar. Gather details, configure the task, and let the AI handle communication and confirmation. Your AI agent can send notifications about the status of your cancellation. You'll receive alerts for pending actions, confirmations, and any issues that arise. This keeps you informed and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. After cancellation, your AI agent can automate follow-up tasks, such as updating your calendar, removing payment methods, or archiving documents. This ensures all related actions are completed efficiently and nothing is overlooked. Periodically review your AI agent's performance. Check if cancellations are processed correctly and if notifications are timely. Adjust settings as needed to improve efficiency and reliability. This helps you get the most out of your AI assistant. AI technology is evolving rapidly. In the future, AI agents may handle even more complex tasks, such as negotiating better deals or predicting when you might want to cancel a membership. Staying updated with new features will help you maximize the benefits of automation. Let's recap the process. Choose an AI agent, Set it up, gather your membership details, configure the cancellation task, and let the AI handle communication. Monitor progress, verify cancellation, and update payment information. With these steps, canceling a gym membership becomes effortless. Using an AI agent to cancel your gym membership or subscription is a smart way to save time and reduce stress. As technology advances, these tools will become even more powerful and user-friendly. Consider integrating AI into your daily routine for managing subscriptions and other tasks. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on leveraging AI for everyday life.